In our last Christmas story, let's turn now to Mickey. His friendship with Pluto has never been sticky. But when decking the halls, if your master says sit, you'd better obey, or disaster may hit.
Hey, Pluto, guess what? Got more decorations. Easy now, these are special. And breakable. Hey, I see you. Aw, who's my pal? Who's my pal? That's right, you are Pluto. Well, we better get busy. We have lots to do for our big Christmas bash. I know what you're looking for. Be patient. You'll get to put the star on the tree. Look out!
Sorry.
Pluto, you gotta be more careful. Now sit. Stay. Good boy. Just forget all about that star. Hello?
Hi, Mickey. It's me. How's everything going for the party?
Almost done. This is gonna be my best Christmas party ever.
Mickey, you're not overdoing it again, are you?
No. I've cut way back this year. Less is more, I always say. Aw, Minnie, you're gonna love it. Oh, I've got candy canes, eggless eggnog. Pluto!
Mickey, is everything all right over there? Yeah! Mickey?
Just perfect. I gotta go. Pluto, look at this mess. I had the perfect party, and now it's the perfect disaster. Christmas is ruined. Well, if I really hurry, I suppose I can get to St. Knickknack's Mega Mall before closing. Haven't you done enough already? Go to your doghouse. I mean it, Pluto. Get out and stay out. Man's best. Aw, who's my pal? Not you. Christmas is ruined, and you ruined it. Get out and stay out.
Is this some kind of joke?
Wait, did I mention you ruined Christmas? Well then, stay out. Stay out.
Enough is enough.